The black holes, allegedly at the core of galaxies and quasars, are actually electromagnetic plasmoids generating star-making electrical filaments and massive jets of enormous energy. A plasmoid is a coherent structure of plasma and magnetic fields that are formed at a Z-pinch. Radio telescope image of the jet emitted by the Virgo A galaxy. The lovely jets of the Fornax radio galaxy. Jets emitted by the Hercules A galaxy. Jets of a radio galaxy with multiple lobes. Gamma-ray, narrow-line jets from the highest Redshift Quasar galaxy. Radio image of galaxy M87 reveals corkscrew-like helical structures of its jet. Radio image of M87 reported as a black hole, but in fact, AI enhancement reveals a massive plasmoid at the galaxy center. Image of Centaurus A galaxy by the Event Horizon Radio Telescope. Chandra X-ray image of Cygnus A galaxy. The jets of galaxy CG049933 are more than 1 million light years long. X-ray and radio imaging the Messier 84 galaxy. Radio and X-ray images of Sagittarius A star, the Milky Way's alleged black hole, reveal a massive outflow claimed to be a magnetically collimated jet of matter and or hot clumps of ionized gas, supposedly produced in the disk of matter circling the black hole. Quasars associated with galaxies often outshine the entire galaxy, and they also produce jets. Quasar 3C273 jet observed in the optical, X-ray, and radio spectra. Outflow of quasar SDSS, allegedly from a massive black hole 1,000 times greater than the one believed to be at the core of the Milky Way. The brilliant luminosity of the early massive quasar J05294351 attributed to a gigantic black hole spanning a diameter of 7 light years. Galaxies and associated quasars. Discordant redshifts of a galaxy and quasar connected by a luminous bridge show the galaxy at 107 million light years from Earth and the quasar at 1.2 billion light years. Galaxies and associated quasars can have discordant redshifts. If the universe is not expanding, the difference in the redshifts of associated quasars and galaxies becomes linear as a measure of actual distance rather than exponential as connected to the increasing entropy of an expanding universe. The electromagnetic jets of galaxies and quasars and their discordant redshifts disprove both black holes at the center of galaxies and the Big Bang. With great respect, this presentation used clips from the following public videos. This non-commercial presentation includes dozens of images found on the internet and used with great appreciation, but without proper attribution due to the impossibility of identifying and contacting owners of the original sources. If the owner of any such image objects to its use, please email the author with details and the image will be removed. The author especially thanks Eric J. Lerner and his book, The Big Bang Never Happened, for introducing evidence disproving the standard model of cosmology, and Professor Louis Marmette for his invitation to join a cosmology group where dissident scientists have the freedom to disagree with settled science and to publish alternative theories refused by mainstream authorities. Dedicated to Christian Birkeland, Edwin Hubble, and Hans Alfvén, who discovered the electromagnetic plasma universe and whose work has been mischaracterized and misused by the gravitationalists, who defend the false Big Bang cosmology by ignoring and disparaging all challenges. Music by Scott Buckley and Johannes Brahms. To be presented by William John Cox at the Science of Consciousness Conference in Tucson, Arizona, in April 22nd to the 27th of 2024. Greatly appreciated. Abby Montefiore and Stuart Hammeroff at the Center for Consciousness Studies, the University of Arizona in Tucson, Arizona, for making this presentation possible.